Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to create a simple dish. All right. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to do mixed vegetable with plain rice, with Fricassee chicken and broad bean. It's a quite simple dish. Not a lot of people have tried this before, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you, to create a simple dish, and tell me what you think. All right. So just like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think in the comment section. All right. Let's go. Come on.
Yeah.
Alright guys, what I'm doing, I'm washing my rice. Normally I wash my rice about 3 to 4 times depending on how clear my water is, to make sure when I wash my rice it's thoroughly washed. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to put it on in a few minutes on my stove so you can start the process of cooking. Take a look. Now what I'm doing now guys, I am washing my seasoning and spices to put in my rice as well as my chicken. Awesome guys, so what I'm doing right now is cutting up my seasoning and spices to put in my rice pot as well as my chicken pot. And now guys, I am adding my potatoes to my seasonings as well. Alright, so what I'm doing right now guys is getting my canned mixed vegetable open to put that in my rice pot to give it that perfect coloring with the plain rice. Now adding my canned mixed vegetable to my rice, as you can see right here, to give it that color as I spoke about. Now I'm mixing everything together, rice and the mixed vegetable and the seasonings. Now guys, this is the fun part for me, frying my chicken. Here you can see I'm making sure that all my chicken is fried properly. So I'm putting it in the pot and setting it just the way I like it. rice pot is coming along nicely. Look at that. Now guys, I'm making sure to turn over my chicken, checking on it to make sure that all sides of the chicken are fried properly. And remember guys, to like, share, comment, give me a comment in the comment section if you're liking what you've seen so far. Checking on the chicken again guys to make sure that everything is coming along nicely, just the way I want it to be. Just look at that guys, look at the rice with the mixed vegetable all together coming along really nicely. Can't wait to get a bite. Alright guys, checking on the chicken again to make sure that everything is going smoothly. Just look at that guys. Damn, that chicken look good, don't it? Yeah, making sure everything is going according to plan. Let me give you a closer look at the process so far of the chicken frying. Looking really good guys, don't it? Yes sir. Now back to the rice. Just look at the rice guys. Looking really good. We're almost there. The rice is almost ready. Just making sure to stir it up properly. Making that rice steam evenly. Alright guys, here am I adding some more chicken to the chicken pot to fry these as well before I move to the next stage, which is starting to cook the chicken. Now we're at the next stage guys of now adding water to the chicken to start the process of cooking it. Here we go guys, we reach the final part of the rice now where we're stirring it for the final time, because now as you can see the rice with the mixed vegetable is now ready. Next stage for the chicken is now adding my spices and seasoning to the chicken. stirred my pot thoroughly to make sure everything is going smoothly with the chicken also. Now I'm adding some crushed pimento seed to the chicken as well. Added spices. I'm adding butter bean to the chicken instead of using the broad bean that I said earlier in the vlog. Making sure I get all the butter bean all over in the pot. Right around, up and down. And now the Fricassee chicken is now ready. I already had some mixed vegetable that came pre-packaged, so all I did, I just warm it up in the microwave for about 4 minutes, and now I'm going to add it with the chicken and rice for the final presentation. And here it is, guys. Tell me what you think about this dish in the comment section, and remember guys, to like, share, comment, and tell me what you guys think.